this video, we're going to discuss how to customize the sitemap through Power Apps in Dynamics 365. In part A, we discussed how to customize the sitemap via legacy settings in the user interface by going to advanced settings. But in this video, we're going to do this through Power Apps. When you log into make.powerapps.com, you want to ensure that you have the right environment selected. Here, we just have a sandbox. I'm going to click on Solutions. I'm going to go to a default solution as that's the main solution that this environment uses. I'm going to scroll down and find Sitemaps. And since I'm using the Sales Hub, I'm going to click on the Sales Hub. And it's going to bring up the sitemap designer, similar to what we saw within the legacy settings. I'm going to add a table under the sub area. And since it's a table, I'm going to select Entity. I'm going to click Save. And publish. I'm going to go back to my environment and refresh. And this may take a few times for that to refresh. And I can see here that my new table is listed under customers. And that is how you customize a sitemap in Dynamics 365 through Power Apps.